I think when it comes to supply chain issues, I think pricing is probably the most important thing that dentists are really thinking about out there. Being the owner of Sowingo and being involved in the supply hubs, we saw a massive peak in the prices of products in 2021. For example, nitrile gloves had almost doubled in price. And we saw a 15% increase in restorative products. And then also, we saw a rise in the cost of just the raw materials for these things. And I think the increase in prices is really related to a number of factors that we're seeing in the market. And I think these will continue. This includes things like shortages in workers, shortages in raw materials, higher transportation costs. I mean, the cost of oil is going up, and inflation is at record heights compared to the last 20 years. So I think there's a number of factors, but I think when it comes to dentists, what they really are noticing is the cost of operations is going up, and this is really, they're seeing a lot of it in how their supplies are priced. Well, I think over the next 12 to 18 months, what dentists can expect is still to see significantly higher prices for the products that they use. And in a way, I feel really bad for them because over the last few years, running a dental practice has gone up in a number of factors, whether it's HR, finding staff costs, infection control regulations, and now on top of it, you're adding supply costs. Unfortunately, I don't see this problem really letting up on the supply side of things. And we at Sowingo are always running data and analytics to see where pricing is headed with different types of products and categories of products. And we don't see the problem letting up well into the end of 2022 and even into 2023. Well, I think there's some things that will really help us in terms of offsetting some of the pricing increases that we're seeing. And I think really when I see dentists working together like we're doing with the associations and the supply hubs and bringing the collective power of all these individuals together is what's really going to help us. I mean, this gives us the ability to negotiate. It allows us to basically control our own destiny rather than being individual sort of practitioners. And I think this collaboration is so critical. And frankly, I'm really excited that we at Sowingo are able to help facilitate this.